So here's how we can set up a VPN on iPhone. Step number one, we will need a VPN, whether that is a free version or a paid version. Now in this video, I will use a free version. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to head to the App Store, and the free version that I personally like to use is the one called VPNify. Once you search for it, you can then go to this one here, and then you can then download and install this on your device. Now this is the best one for the free version, and it's the best free VPN that I've found on iPhone. Once we've done this, we can then go back, head over to our settings, and then you want to go down and then click on the general option. Once we select general, you want to scroll towards the bottom here, and then you can then click on VPN and device management. And then once we select this, as you can see at the top, there is an option now for VPN. You want to click on that, and then you will now see an option for VPNify. You want to toggle on this option here, and then click on VPNify. And then once you do this, you will then be able to add this to your iPhone.